Young Engineers. Today we're going to be mounting this outdoor light onto our porch here that we're redoing. So I'm going to have to unscrew these screws at the bottom here to get the light out. So I'm going to unscrew them now. Out. So now I can take this out, and as you can see we all have all the light and everything in here. So this we're gonna have first set, and I'm going to start by the light. So now we need the light bulbs. So 1 and 2. So now I've just taken off the wire things, the rubber on the outside, so the copper's out. Always make sure you test it before touching any of it. So if it's red, then it's on. So if I touch it and I touch here and it's not turning on and it's not red, that means the power's off. So always check before you put any electronics on. So now I'm gonna have to put them into each of these. The brown's too long, and so will the blue be then. So I have to cut. I'm going to cut off the copper and retake it off. So, copper off. I'm going to do it to the blue as well. I'm going to take some more wire out of the rubber off, and then there's one here. Okay, so now I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to grab it here. Grab it here. And pull it off. And I'm going to do the same to the blue one. Grab it here and pull it off. So as you can see, they've got a nice amount now sticking out. We don't need to do the yellow one because this one's plastic. If it was metal, the yellow one would help you. So if you touch it, it wouldn't shock you. So then you have to twist it like this, so none of it's sticking out when you put it in, because if it's sticking out it can ruin the circuit and everything. So I'm gonna put this in, it can fit, so then I need my screwdriver. I'm gonna screw it in. Okay, so I'm just done. As you can see, they're both in the center. This one doesn't need to be here because it's not metal. And we put it back to the place. So now I'm going to level it out. So now we're going to screw it in. We have this magnetized one, was really helpful because then I don't need to hold it, and we have it here as well. So now you see these little things, we're going to screw in there because they're specially made for it. Okay, so now I have to put in the light bulbs, and then we're going to test it to see if they'll turn on. So one light bulb. We're going to turn on the power and check, is it working? And it works, as you can see. They're perfectly fine. Everything's working. So we turn it off, the power, so we don't do it. And then we can start screwing on this thing. Because this thing is the main look to make it look as good. And we can already take off the sticker. Because it is IP44, which means it can stay outside and it won't get wet. And it won't break from the washer. So now I have to put this on. As you can see, it stays. I'm going to get this and a screw. And it's all the way there, so I'm going to have to And we have it done. So now it's time to test it out one last time. And we'll see. Here we have the light on. Really nice looking. So, if you liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Bye!